Today we are making some mixed berry smoothie. Oh yeah, it is warm over here and I need something that is chill. So I'm gonna use two type of berries. Well, there's three berries I'm using, but I'm gonna explain it to you. Anyways, hi guys, my name is TJ. If you're new here, welcome to TJ Made It. And today we're gonna be making some smoothie. This smoothie is healthy. It has a whole load of protein, nutrient, fiber, perfect. So let's get started. So I have a thing of frozen berries. They're kind of a little bit defrosted, but it's still frozen. It has blueberry, raspberry, and strawberry. And I got fresh strawberry because they don't put a lot of strawberry in these frozen bags. That's why I don't, do them. And I got some milk right here, needle milk. Well, this has like 9 type of vitamins, like A to C. It has iron. And then we got some chia seeds. Yes. Look, I've been saying this the wrong way for a while. Chia seed, but I used to call it, I think I said chai seed, but it's chia seeds. I learned it. So I'm gonna make some chia, add the chia seed to that, and then I got some coconut water. Of course, you can't go wrong with coconut water. It is perfect. If you get a natural coconut water, it's low on the sugar. It has iron, it has some vitamin also to this, so it's perfect. So this is gonna be a nice, healthy mixed berry smoothie we are gonna make. So let's get started. So I have my blender. The first thing you wanna add to this is your coconut water, which is the first thing I'm gonna add in here. Okay. I hope you guys are doing good. If you are new here, my name is TJ. Welcome to TJ Made It. I usually cook. I make different food. I make drinks. Everything, okay? Welcome to my channel. I hope you like what you see. Subscribe, stay, comment, like for more cooking recipe. So now I got my coconut water in here. I'm gonna add my berries in there. These mixed berries. Okay. I'm gonna add the berries. Ooh. All right, and then I'm gonna add the fresh strawberry to complete this. And I think I have a whole bunch of coconut water in there. Let me take some out. I don't want it to be too okay. That's enough. And now I'm gonna add my needle milk to this. Yep. Now I'm gonna add my chia seeds. And we will blend everything together. Yeah. This is a whole bunch of nutrients, for real. You get a whole bunch of fiber, iron, everything. So now I'm gonna just blend it. Okay, it's perfectly blended. Oh my goodness, let me take these out of my way. Wow. Do you see that? Seriously, do y'all see that? Yo, this. Okay, now I'm gonna just pour some in the cup because I'm gonna taste this. Ooh, it's so chill too, exactly how I want it. Oh my goodness. You have you some nice mixed berry smoothie. This right here, this is a lot of nutrient. So usually I would make this when I don't want to eat something heavy, or after I had a big meal and I just want something light on my stomach for the evening. I'll make me a smoothie, but I don't make this every day because I do make other smoothie that I like to have. So I'm not making this every day at a specific time. I don't do that, but I do make it because it's one of my favorite drink to mix. It has so many great nutrient in it. All the berries, they all have fiber, iron, they're low on calories. I mean, the sugar level is low, everything. So it's the best smoothie you can make with mixed berry. Sometimes I'll make some of the berries separate by themselves, but all of them together, you're getting everything, all the health benefits to it. I mean, it's good for your belly health, belly, gut, all of it, okay? So I'm gonna show you how this look. Do you see that? Wow, so beautiful. It's perfect. Look, you're getting all that stuff, yo. Like, yeah, this is perfect. This is all I have for today. Just want to come over here and show you guys how to make this. Let me sip on this real quick. So I have my straw. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It tastes so good. Like, it's perfect. It's healthy. Oh, I'm gonna really enjoy this. I'm probably making me another one again. But this is so good. It's so healthy. Easy to make, very quick. All of the ingredient that's in this is healthy. So it's perfect. Literally good health benefits you're getting from all of the berries, the milk, the coconut water. It's perfect. Now, if you don't want to do coconut water, you prefer to use like juice, do it, or water. I mean, I don't know why you want to make your smoothie with water, but maybe some people do. I don't know. But make it with coconut water. Use some juice, your favorite kind of juice that you like. You can make it with it. But this is perfect. It's healthy. Like I said, I would do this when I don't want to have a heavy meal in the evening or like in the morning. I would have that in. So if I'm missing a breakfast, this covers for me. It covers everything. I don't have to have a big thing of breakfast meal. So I can just do this, and it's, it's healthy, it's good. But yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah, that is it for today, y'all. I hope you guys stay subscribed, like, comments, follow the page. Thank you for stopping by. Teacher made it. She didn't do it again. She made herself a good smoothie. Let other people know about the channel. Stop by. Let them know Teacher be making some good stuff over there. And yeah, I will see you guys again in my next video. Be safe out there. God bless you. And bye. I love to dance when I eat. I don't know how to dance that well, but I can try.